puppy dinner and antics in my kitchen since we have a severe thunderstorm warning. Yay for monsoon season and puppies. There's like little NASCAR races going on in my kitchen. And keep away, chasing the kitty. Trying to chew on my toes. They took like a half an hour to eat because they keep playing. Oops, don't turn over there. Here we go. Keep away is their new favorite game. Round and round they go. Hello there. What's this one? Mango? Hey, Mango.
Black.
Oh, it's black? Darn it. Mango's the one chewing my... Oh, no. They're too close. It's Rancher. Sorry, Rancher. Mango was on my lap like a minute ago.
Here.